In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your videos over email using an animated GIF preview. Now, the problem with sending videos over email normally is that you can only use a plain link. And for your recipient, getting a plain link from someone that they might not know is not the most interesting thing to click on. When you add an animated preview of the video, you show them what the video looks like, and that inspires a lot more confidence in them to click on the video and open it up and watch the whole thing. So let's jump into it and I'll show you how you can do this. So here is a video that I created with Tella earlier. It's a short product demo and I want to send this to my friend Steve. Now, I could normally just click copy link and then paste that into my email client, but we want to send him an animated GIF preview. So to do that, let's go up here and click share, and then we're going to go down to the email option, and then on the right here, you can see a preview of our GIF preview. You can see it looping through the first few seconds of the video. To send this with our video link, you just click copy content, and then we can open up our email client and then paste that in, and now you can see we have an animated GIF inside of our email client and this fallback link here as well. Steve will be able to click directly on the GIF itself or on the link to open up the video onto Tella and watch it there. Let's take a closer look at what's happening here. So back in Tella, you can see we've got a few options in the share as email config. The first is you can choose between an animated or static image. So animated will give you a GIF. It'll actually animate and loop through a few of the seconds at the start of the video. Static will just give you a static frame. Then that's where the frame start time comes in. So what you set in here will determine where the either static image or animated image begins from. So let's switch back to animated. You can see at 0 seconds we get this, but if we jumped ahead to say 10 seconds, you can see we get something quite different where it's just a few seconds of me doing the demonstration. In this case, because the start of the video is a lot more interesting than the middle of the video, I'm going to go back to the 0 second option because that's a lot more interesting. If we want to save a bit of time in our email client, we could then just type in the message here. And when we copy the content, we'll also be copying this text. Lastly, we've got the link text. Now, sometimes when you send a GIF or an image to someone, the recipient's email client will strip out anything except text. So it's good to have a fallback link your recipient will be able to click on, even if the image doesn't work for some reason. So you can modify this to anything that you want that makes it most relevant to your recipient. It could say, watch on Tella or watch my video, or if the preview is not working, click here. And that's all there is to it. Once you've got this set up the way you want, click copy content, and then you can head back to your email client, paste it in, and you are good to go.